Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be conversations, it could be calls, it could be messages. You can also add to exceptions apps. You can add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, or calendar events. You can set up a schedule for this mode. Like, you can change the name of this schedule, you can change days on which it will be active, you can select start time, end time, and also you can set it to alarm override end time of the schedule. And in advanced you can also set up default duration of this mode, and also you can display hidden notifications. So you can like disable only sound for notifications, or you can disable and visual and sound and everything. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.